Most people start learning to code by picking a programming language. Python, JavaScript, C++, yeah? You need it to write code, but what really makes someone a high-level programmer isn't how well they know syntax. It's how well they solve problems. And that's a skill most tutorials never teach. Let me show you what I mean. A while back, I was building a small app that needed to show the top 3 most used words in a text file. Sounds easy, right? At first, I jumped straight into code, opened VS Code, imported libraries, started typing loops. 10 minutes later, I was completely stuck. My logic was messy. My output was wrong, and I remember thinking, I know Python. So why can't I solve this? Then it hit me. I was coding too soon. I wasn't solving the problem. I was just writing syntax. I closed my editor and wrote the problem in plain English. Find the most common words in a text. Then I asked, how would I do this if I had to do it by hand? First, I'd list out all the words. Then count how many times each one shows up. Finally, then sort them by frequency. Boom. That's the actual logic. No code needed yet. Once I had that clear in my head, the code almost wrote itself. Before I typed anything, I wrote the steps. 1. Read the file. 2. Split the words. 3. Count them. 4. Sort and print the top 3. Then I coded each step one by one, testing as I went. It felt slow, but I wasn't guessing anymore. I was building. That's when I realized high-level programmers don't start with how do I write this. They start with how do I think about this. When my result was off by one word, I didn't just fix it. I traced why. I found out punctuation was breaking my word splits. So I cleaned the text before counting. That one small fix taught me more about thinking clearly than any syntax tutorial ever did. Because every bug tells you how your brain assumed wrong. So yeah, learning a language is great, but writing code is the easy part. Thinking clearly? That's the real skill. Every time you slow down, break things down, and trace your thinking, you're training your brain to solve problems like a real developer. If you want to learn the fastest way to level up as a developer in 100s, watch my next video. It'll show you how to turn any coding challenge into something you can actually handle.